In this example, you see an 8mm hole, and two fluid streams are entering that hole. One we've dyed red with a fluorescent dye, and the other is actually light blue. And so you see the interface that develops between those fluid streams as it's pumping into the hole. It folds and folds and folds on itself, and you start to see the mixture of those two fluid streams filling up the entire hole eventually. And then at a later time, it will actually harden into a structural polymer.